Hey Cosmic Wanderers, hope you are completely fine and healthy in this era of pandemic. This is a very personal host Shruti here to talk about physics all around us. Well, yes, physics is really all around us and you are sitting there because of physics. How? Let's see. Well, biology is a subject in which you study about the human body or human psychology. Well, that is studied in humanities, but you study about humans and the biological system in the subject of biology. Biology is said to be the extreme level of chemistry, and chemistry is said to be the child of physics. So, from here only, we come across the importance of physics in our lives. Well, the Earth is here because of physics. Our solar system, Milky Way, Sagittarius, Andromeda, Messier, everything, our entire universe is here because of physics. The accepted theory of the creation of our universe is Big Bang, though it is not that much trusted upon. And Big Bang Experiment 2 will be taking place in the year 2024. This is an additional information for you. Well, Big Bang said that there was a single particle before the creation of the universe, and then there was a bang inside it which led to the creation of the entire universe. Well, it seems to be quite futile for the creation of our universe, of which we are a part of, to just be concentrated in a bang. There are many fascinating theories, like one of the scientists said that our universe is nothing but a child universe which parted from the parent universe due to a bang. And Sir Turok said that there were two universes which clashed into each other, and that clash led to a bang. Stephen Hawking's shuttlecock theory said that there was a point-sized particle. Well, he accepted that part of the Big Bang, and there was a bang which will lead to the creation of the universe. But how is it different? The expansion of the universe would be in the form of a shuttlecock. It would go on this way. You might have seen a shuttlecock, expand it a bit, but the contrary statement which comes into play is, in today's date, or for the next 10 billion years, our universe is expanding. But after some time, it will start contracting. Then what will happen? What do you think about it? Well, let us understand the importance of physics by following our daily routine. So let us start with the morning. We wake up in the morning because of physics. How? The force of gravity continues to act on you, be it you're sleeping, sitting, standing, or doing anything. The force of gravity is same for all. It is 9.8 meters per second for each and everyone out there. It continues to act on you. But what leads you to sit vertically from that horizontal position when you wake up? You go against the force of gravity. Your total internal energy, which is the sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy, leads you to sit up straight. What is kinetic energy? The energy possessed by a body due to its motion is known as kinetic energy, and the energy stored in a body due to its position is known as potential energy. So total energy of your body leads you to sit up straight and take your first step of the morning. Well, now coming to the daytime. The car or any other vehicle you use for moving from one destination to the other. On the wheels of the car, the force of friction acts. The motion of your car is in this direction, then force of friction acts in the opposite direction. They both cancel out each other, because of which accidents don't take place that frequently. That's why we take a wheel with less friction, so that friction does not exceed and the car can run with a good speed. Well, where is friction studied? It is a part of physics. So the book recommendation for the day is Lectures on Black Holes by Sir Stephen Hawking. It is a tiny booklet of about 70 pages which contains all the summary about black holes. So if you're a cosmos freak and want to know about one of the most alluring part of our cosmos, this is a must read for you. Sharing with you a tiny dialogue from my book, The Story of Competitive Contemporaries, which is said by the protagonist, Tia, who is a 7-year-old suffering from a spinal cord injury. The dialogue is, "Mom, you said that mothers are an angel. If you are an angel to me, make me stand on my legs." So this was all about physics all around us. If you've got a particular topic or recommendation on which you want me to make a video upon, drop it down in the comment section below. Hope this video elevated your knowledge about the cosmos we are a part of. Thanks for watching.